welcome to this video learning series of AutoCAD. Today we are going to do an example on how to set up units, limits, and how to use the zoom tool to zoom the drawing area to the set limits. I have these instructions written here on the screen. As you can see, these are the parameters for the units we have to specify. These are the parameters for the limits. And third thing we have to do is we have to use the zoom tool. So first of all, let's start working with setting up the units. Type UN and press enter. We'll get this drawing units dialog box. Now, first thing we have to do is we have to set the length measurement units to architecture. So here in the length type drop down list, choose this architectural option. We have to set up the precision to 1/4 of an inch. So it is already set to 1/4 of an inch. So it's okay. Now we have to set the direction for angle measurement to north. Click on this direction button. East radio button is chosen here in the base angle area. So change it to north by clicking on this north radio button. And then hit the OK button. Next thing, angle measurement units should be surveyor units. So here in the angle type drop down list, choose this surveyor units option. Now angle precision should be set to 2 decimal places here. So I'll choose this option. Now you can see we have set the length type to architectural, and here in the units to scale inserted content area, the units are set to millimeters. So I'll change it to inches. Next, I'll choose this OK button. Second thing we have to do is we have to set the lower limits to 00 and upper limits to 100 by 80. So type LIN and press enter. Now the command line says specify lower left corner. So currently it is set to 00, so it's okay. I'll press enter. Specify upper right corner. So we have to specify the upper limit says 100, 80. So I'll type 100 feet, 80 feet. And then I'll press enter. Now if I check my limits by pressing the space bar again, you can see the limits command is again activated, and lower left corner is set to 00, upper right corner is set to 100 by 80. So we are done with setting up the limits also. Next thing we'll do is we'll use the zoom tool to zoom the drawing area to the set limits. So type set and press enter. Next choose this all option from the command line to zoom the drawing area to the set limits. So we have set the units, limits, and we have used the zoom tool once to zoom the drawing area to the set limits.